Thank you for joining us at 2cutebeads.com. Today I'm going to show you how I created my crystal flower using Swarovski bicone crystals and a few rounds, Swarovski rounds, some stainless steel wire, and floral tape. Let's get started. You're going to cut 5 10-inch pieces of your stainless steel wire, and you're going to cut 6 pieces of 6-inch green bale wire. And you're going to divide your beads up, and we're going to start with something really easy. So let's compose the center of our flower first, just to get you used to working with the wire. So in one of our sections here, we're just going to load our round mocha bead on, hold it together, twist it, and we're going to make a stem. And we're going to do that 3 times. Then we're going to make 3 leaves. So we're going to take another piece of our green wire, and we're going to weave a leaf. And weaving a leaf, we put 1 bead on. We add 2 more. Bring our wire back through the 2 we just added. Grab each end of the wire, pull down to lock it in place. Then we add 1 more green, bring our wire through it, pull tight, bring both our wires down, twist, and with my bent nose, I just keep twisting down, and we're going to do this 2 more times until we have 3 leaves. So now we've made 3 leaves, and we should have made 3 centers. Now let's construct our petal. This is our longer piece of wire. And so first we're going to load on 1 yellow, center it, add 2 more, the same way we did our leaf, we're going to take our stainless steel wire back through the 2 beads, making sure to keep everything centered. We're going to pull down and lock in place. So we have the beginning of our petal. Now we're going to add a fire opal, our last citrine, and another fire opal. And we're going to be making 5 of these petals, so you should have your beads divided in 5 piles, making sure that you have 4 citrine in each pile. And again, keeping everything nice and centered. Bring everything down. Lock it in place. You usually can lock it in place with your hands, but if it doesn't, you can always use your bent nose or your round nose. So now we're going to add 4 fire opal. And again, we bring it back through. Our 4 beads. Locking it in place. Now we're going to decrease. We're going to add 3 beads in fire opal. Two beads. And now our last bead. Bring our wires down, twist, take your bent nose, grab halfway down and start twisting. And that's our petal. So you're going to repeat this 4 more times. So now, after you've got your 5 petals, your 3 leaves, and our 3 centers, we're now going to construct our flower. So, we have 5 petals now. This is our center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all 3 whoops, and twist it together. Not too tightly, kind of loose, because I want to be able to arrange them. And now I'm going to take my petals Set them in here. And just gently twist them together. And while holding them in place, I'm going to open up and arrange my leaves. I'm sorry, not my leaves, my petals. And make sure I like how it looks. And if I'm liking how everything's looking, I think I want to put those down a little farther. I'm going to grab it. And I'm going to twist it in place. And you can mold it the way you like it. And I'm just going to pull the rest of my wires together. So now I have my leaves that I need to arrange. And I'm going to do one a little longer. One a little shorter. And down here, I'm going to twist them together. And see where I want them. So I'll be putting them, I think, in up here. So now you've got your floral tape. And you're going to take the back of it and you're going to start wrapping. So you're going to pull your flower up and pulling tightly. You're going to start wrapping your floral tape. It's stretchy and it's sticky. So now I'm just going to keep wrapping my floral tape down my stem. Now at this point, I would like to add my leaves. So now I'm going to wrap my leaves in. My leaves are wrapped in. just going to wrap my floral tape all the way down while pulling it to make sure that everything is locking in. I just keep twisting my floral tape in place. And I'm going to wrap all of my wires in here. Take the top piece of your floral tape and make sure you have everything covered, that little piece that we left up there. And just kind of roll it with your fingers, and it'll stick in there. Arrange your flower like you'd like it. And there we go. And you can roll the stem up, you can set it in a vase. I think I'm gonna roll this one up. And you can always add more leaves. But that's our flower. Thanks for joining us at 2cutebeads.com.